Hello everyone, I'm Leon Chu. I'm very happy now because I'm trying my best to teach you how to practice Tai Chi at home. If you are a beginner, you can watch this video and the videos in the future. I will try my best to teach you how to practice Tai Chi by yourself. Okay, so trust yourself, trust me. Let's start to do it. The first movement is 起势. You stand like this, standing naturally, and then you try to make yourself lower a little bit. Then you move your weight entirely on your right leg. Then step side volley, move your weight to the middle of your feet, and then raise up your hands, make it down. This is the 起势 of 太极拳. Let us do it one more time. Standing naturally, and then make your body lower. Move your weight onto your right leg. Tiptoes, and then step sideways, move your weight until the weight distribution of your body is 50% and 50%. Raise up your hand and then move it just in front of your chest. It's very easy, right? So this is the 起势. You can try to remember the procedure of it. Let us do it one more time. Standing naturally, down, move weight, tiptoes, move, and then raise up your arms, down. This is the 起势. Next movement is 右揽雀. And now you move your weight a little bit laterally, and then use the right heel as a pivot point. Then rotate rightly. Let us do it one more time. Now, after you practice 起势, then move your weight a little bit laterally. Use your right heel as a pivot point, and then rotate your body. It's very easy, right? Let us do it from beginning until 右揽雀. Standing naturally, down, move your weight, raise up your arms, 起势, 右揽雀, rotate your body. Okay, let us do it one more time. Standing naturally, down, tiptoes, move your weight, raise up your arms in front of your chest, rotate your body. Next movement is 捧. When you complete the movement 右揽雀, then you are going to do the next movement. We call this 捧. And 捧, the direction you have to 捧 to here. to this direction, my finger points. That is the direction, deviate from this direction about 45 degrees, right rolling. So when you complete the first movement, 右揽穴, then you should do the movement toward that direction. You move your weight onto your right leg and then pull your behind leg up, step in. And your hands look like this. One more time. From here, 右揽穴, and then it's very easy. Step in toward that position. It's very easy. The relative position of our hands of the movement palm, it looks like this. It looks like this. It looks like this. It's very easy. So don't forget to just try to remember the procedure first, the trajectory first. Okay, let's do it one more time from begin until palm. Okay, next movement is 右palm. Okay, we have to palm to another direction. When I face you, the first movement of palm should direct to this direction. And then next movement is palm also, but we have to palm to different direction. This time, right rolling about 90 degrees, then we palm to this direction. Okay, so let us do it. It's very easy. 右揽穴, first palm, second, it's very easy, right? Let's do it from begin until 右palm. Next movement is 履挤按. When you complete 右palm, the form look like this, and then you raise up your hand, you do the movement like this. This is what we call 履. It's very easy. For beginners, you just try to imitate the movements like water, like you are dancing. So this is palm, and then 履. Move your weight onto your behind leg. Okay, this is 履. One more time. Palm, 履. Until this position, you swing your hand back and then you try to raise up your arm almost horizontally. Then you do 挤. Let's do it one more time. Okay? This is palm and then 履. Yeah. Continue. 挤. The 挤 is very easy. You make your two hands overlap. This is we call ji. Okay, sometimes when I talk to my students, I call this little push. Later you will see the big push. Okay? This time we try to do face you. Okay? So this is Pong and then Lü. Next, Ji. Next movement is what I call the big push. An. Pong, Lü, Ji, An. An. The last movement. This is Pong. And then Lü, Ji, An. You do a small circle and then a wheel. We will push 2 times. Okay, we will push 2 times. Okay, one more time. Pong, Lü, Ji, An. Zai An. Okay, now I try to show you this direction. Pong, Lü, Ji, An. Zai An. Let us now try to do the Tai Chi from beginning until the last movement, Pong, Lü, Ji, An. Okay, let's do it all together. We begin from the Qi Shi. Let's start down. Move your weight. Raise up your arms. 右揽穴，左捧，右捧，捋，挤，按，再按。Because the 右捧 you are pointing to this direction. So the Pong, Lü, Ji, and An, we all, if we use the word of Chinese martial art, we use these movements to attack in the same direction. Okay? Let's do it one more time. It's very easy. Try it. Okay. So this one, 起势，右揽穴，左捧，右捧，捋，挤，按，再按。 See, it's very easy, right? Now, I do it in another version so that you can see it more clearly, okay? Let's do it from 右捧. If I start 右捧 from here, and then 履挤按再按 See? It's very easy, right? This is the 棚履挤按. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and I also hope that I can help you to practice Tai Chi Chuan at home. If you want to practice Tai Chi Chuan at home, you need to review the movements I show in this video. Good luck, and I will teach you more and more movements in the following videos. If you like us, please subscribe our channel and share our channel to all of your friends. See you. Bye bye.